Cannot change country in App Store. Cancel Apple Music subscription to change country. If you're trying to change your country in the App Store but can't, and you've encountered the message to cancel your Apple Music subscription first, don't worry, I'm here to help. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix this issue and change your country or region in the App Store. So let's get started. First, we need to check if you have an active Apple Music subscription. This is usually the reason you can't change your country. To do this, go to Settings and simply tap on your name at the top. Then look for Subscription. Here, look for Apple Music in the list of active subscription. If you have an active subscription, this could be blocking you from changing your country in the App Store. Now, to change your country, you need to cancel your Apple Music subscription. Simply tap on Apple Music and select Cancel Subscription. You may be prompted to confirm this decision. Simply do that. Now, if you prefer, you can wait until your subscription fully expires also. However, if you've cancelled it, you can proceed to the next steps immediately. Now that you've cancelled your subscription, go back to Settings and simply tap on Media and Purchases and click on View Account. You may be prompted to simply sign in with your Face ID or Touch ID. Now, what you can do is simply click on Country or Region. Then select Change Country or Region or choose the new country or region you want to switch to. And keep in mind that you may need to update your payment information depending on the region you're trying to switch to. Some countries require a local payment method like a regional credit card or PayPal. Make sure your payment details are there for the new country and then simply tap on Next to confirm the change. And if you still want to use Apple Music after switching region, simply open the Apple Music app and resubscribe to the service in your new country's app store. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Apple Music subscription.